Hello friends, welcome to my channel Free French. My name is Harsh and I am your French language instructor. Today we will learn how to introduce oneself in French. If you haven't seen part first of the video which is about basic greetings in French, please watch with the link given in the description box. So let's start. Bonjour et bienvenue à Free French. Hello and welcome to Free French. Se présenter. To present oneself. Start with bonjour. You always have to start your conversation by greeting someone with bonjour, which means hi or hello. Bonjour. How to say your name. Start with je m'appelle and then your name. Je m'appelle. For example, je m'appelle Harsh. Je m'appelle Harsh. From where do you belong? For this, we will use the expression je viens de. And then we have to add country name. Je viens de. For example, je viens d'Inde, which means I am from India. Now, if you want to say where you are currently living, then we will use the expression j'habite à, and then we will add city name. J'habite à. For example, J'habite à Delhi. J'habite à Delhi, which means I live in Delhi. How to tell your nationality? For this, we will use the expression je suis, and then we add nationality. For example, je suis indien. Je suis indien, which is in masculine form. Je suis indienne. Je suis indienne, which is in feminine form. How to tell your age? For this, we will use the expression j'ai, and then we will add our age, and at last we will end with en. For example, j'ai 23 ans. J'ai 23 ans, which means I have 23 years in French, or in English it is I am 23 years old. How to say marital status? Je suis célibataire, which means I am single. Je suis marié. Je suis marié, which is in masculine form. Je suis marié. Je suis marié, which is in feminine form. Now to tell languages you know. Je parle anglais, hindi et français. Je parle anglais, hindi et français, which means I speak English, Hindi and French. What about your position? How to tell your designation in French? If you are teacher, je suis enseignant. Je suis enseignant. And for feminine, we will add an extra e at the end, which will translate it as je suis enseignante. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant. And in feminine, je suis étudiante. Je suis étudiante. Similarly, we will use different designations as ingénieur, which means engineer, programmer, which means programmer, infirmière, which means nurse, secrétaire, which means secretary, docteur, which means doctor, avocat, which means a lawyer, cuisinier, which means a cook. Now, hobbies. J'aime écouter de la musique. J'aime écouter de la musique. J'aime regarder la télévision. J'aime regarder la télévision. J'aime faire la cuisine. J'aime faire la cuisine. Merci. Thank you. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Now let's revise. Je m'appelle Harsh. Je viens d'Inde. J'habite à Delhi. Je suis indien. J'ai 23 ans. Je suis célibataire. Je parle anglais, hindi et français. Je suis enseignant. J'aime écouter de la musique. Merci. Enchanté. That's all for today. Hope you guys liked the video. Please follow us on different social platforms, for which all the links are provided in the description box. Do subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates of my videos. Thank you.